I was not born in Mandalay, but sometimes home is not where you are born. Home is where your heart belongs. Mandalay is the city I chose, the city I admire, the city I am proud to represent. Place where golden pagodas shine with history, where Mandalay Hay stand with quiet strength, where culture, art, and poetry live in every corner. The city taught me elegance, it taught me resilience, it taught me how to ride with grace. Last year, I stepped onto the national stage of Miss Grand Myanmar 2025, and I earned a place in the top 60. It was a proud moment, but deep inside, I knew I have more to give. Top 60 was not my destination, it was my foundation. Over the past year, I have grown not only in skills, but in mindset. I train harder, I study deeper, I learn to speak with confidence and purpose. I ask myself one important question: how can I level up? Level up my performance, level up my intelligence, level up my impact. Because representing Mandalay is not just wearing a sash, it is carrying its pride, its culture, its legacy. I may not have been born here, but I stand here by choice, with love, loyalty, and determination. I am Miss Grand Mandalay 2026, hand present, and this year I rise not just for myself, but for the city I proudly call mine.